Okay, so if you're in marketing, you know the drill, right? It's not just about getting your emails opened. It's about getting people to act. Today, we're diving into a tool that's built to do exactly that, to turn those passive subscribers into actual paying customers by creating some serious, can't-ignore urgency. Just how serious are we talking?
Well, what if I told you that you could boost your email conversions by up to 400%? Yeah, that's not a typo. That's the kind of power you get when you tap into one of the oldest and most effective psychological triggers in the book. It's a huge number, and honestly, it's a huge opportunity for your business.
You know the feeling? You've spent hours, maybe even days, crafting the perfect email. The copy is brilliant, the images are stunning, the call to action is crystal clear. You hit send, and you wait. And you wait. The biggest hurdle isn't getting people interested. It's getting them to stop what they're doing and click right now. So how do you fix that?
The answer is all about giving yourself the urgency advantage. It's about using something we all have. That fear of missing out, FOMO. It's just human nature. We are way more motivated by the thought of losing something than we are by gaining something. So when people see a great deal or an opportunity literally slipping away, they're wired to act.
And this is a solution. It's a super simple but crazy effective tool, a real-time animated countdown timer. Think of it like a smart GIF that updates itself every single time someone opens your email, showing exactly how much time is left. And the best part? It works everywhere. We're talking Gmail, Outlook, Apple Mail, you name it, it just works.
And look, this isn't some brand new, untested idea. This is a proven strategy that's being used right now by over 10,000 marketers all over the world. We're talking huge Shopify stores, big SaaS companies, the e-commerce brands you see every day. They all rely on this to get results. That kind of trust really says it all.
Now, you might be thinking, okay, this sounds complicated, but it's actually the complete opposite. This is probably the fastest and easiest way to add urgency to your campaigns. Seriously, you can go from 0 to having a live timer in your email in under 2 minutes. Let's break down exactly how easy it is.
It really just comes down to 3 little steps. You configure the timer, you generate the code, and then you embed it in your email. That's it. It's built to be totally intuitive. In fact, let's just walk through it together right now.
Okay, so here we are in the Creation Studio. First up, the Time tab. This is where you just name your timer, you pop in a fixed end date and time, perfect for a big sale, and then you can even decide what message shows up when the clock hits 0. And check this out, the preview on the left updates in real time as you make changes. Super cool! Next, let's pop over to the Style tab. This is where you can make the timer look exactly like your brand. You can pick from some cool presets, or you can just dial in your exact brand colors for the background, the numbers, everything. Change the font, tweak the size, you have total control, and you don't have to touch a single line of code. Oh, and the Events tab is another awesome feature. If you've got something like Black Friday, a flash sale, or a product launch coming up, there are these amazing ready-made templates. It is such a time saver, and they make your emails look incredibly professional with just one click. And lastly, in the Display tab, you get to fine-tune all the final details. You can choose exactly what to show, like maybe you don't need the days part, set the language, and for pro users, this is the magic button right here. Remove the watermark for a perfectly clean, on-brand look. Okay, now I have to tell you about a pro feature that is, well, it's an absolute game changer. It's called the Evergreen Timer. And honestly, it feels like having an unfair advantage in your marketing. This is where things get really, really powerful. So what is it? Well, instead of having just one deadline for everybody, an Evergreen Timer gives a unique, personal countdown to every single person who gets your email. The clock literally starts ticking the moment they open it. It doesn't matter if they open it on Tuesday or on Friday, the urgency is always fresh, and it's always just for them. You can really see the difference here. A fixed deadline is good, don't get me wrong, but it kind of loses its punch for anyone who opens the email late. An evergreen deadline, though, it's always relevant. It creates that maximum urgency for every single person on your list, which can just skyrocket your conversions.
And the best part is the tech behind this is so simple and elegant. You just add this tiny little merge tag from your email provider, like MailChimp or Klaviyo, right into the embed code in. That little piece of text is what tells the system to create a unique timer for each person. It's brilliant, and it just works.
So, you've seen how powerful this is, and you've seen how ridiculously easy it is to set up. Let's really quickly look at how you can get started right now. because the pricing is super straightforward and easy to understand.
There are basically just two options. The free plan is awesome. It's incredibly generous. You get 50,000 views every month, and you can make as many timers as you want. It's a perfect way to get started. And then, when you're ready for the really serious marketing tools, the Pro plan is just $9 a month. For that, you get unlimited views, no watermark, and of course, those game-changing evergreen timers.
So what does going pro really get you? Well, unlimited views means you never have to worry about hitting a limit during a huge sale. You get that clean, professional look with no watermark. You unlock the evergreen timers, which is key for personalization. Plus, you get advanced analytics, priority support, and even API integrations. It's the whole shebang.
Honestly, there's no reason to wait. You can sign up for free right now and have your very first animated urgency-building countdown timer ready for your next email campaign in literally seconds.
So I guess the only question left is, are you ready to stop leaving money on the table? Are you ready to start seeing the kind of crazy engagement and conversions that real, genuine urgency can drive for your business?